friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Umbreon for beginners, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by framing in the head. On the top we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Let's leave a gap. Let's come down. We're going to curve this line around and through towards the center. And then we'll do the exact same thing, lining that up at the same height on the right hand side as well. Blending that together. Now let's come out. On the corner here, on the top, we're going to arch this over and through on the left hand side. And then we'll replicate this on the right hand side as well. Now from this point on the top, let's curve this line back around and in towards that inside corner. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right hand side as well. Now let's come in and add the details. So on the top for the ear, we're just going to curve this line through on a slight diagonal. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's move up again. We're going to leave a gap, replicating that. Let's come through towards the center now. We're going to draw in an oval in the middle. And then stepping around this, let's move up and replicate that again. Let's step across for the eye. Coming over on the right, we're going to curve this line out. We'll do the exact same thing on the left. Let's close this off from the bottom on the inside corner, arching this around, bring that back up. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the left-hand side as well. Let's move out to the top. So we're going to draw in a circle for that highlight. And then we'll move over on the right-hand side, replicating that. Let's draw in the pupil. So on the inside, we're just going to draw in a small line connecting that to the top. And then we'll come back underneath, arching this around and through towards the top of that eye. And then we'll just color in our pupils black. And that is it. That's how you draw Umbreon for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.